Introducing the Niagara Harrow Chrome Mono Mixer Tap, a perfect combination of style and utility, available here at Bella Bathrooms. Made with premium quality brass and finished with a stunning chrome look, this tap enhances the elegance of any bathroom, cloakroom or ensuite. The polished chrome slotted click-clack waist comes included, and for those who want a complete set, we also provide matching bath taps to create a consistent look throughout your bathing space. Its round design and deck-mounted installation allow for easy water control access. The pin lever handle adds a sleek touch, enabling you to adjust water temperature and flow with precision. Upgrade your home with the Niagara Harrow Chrome Mono Mixer Tap, an exceptional blend of style and functionality that will enhance your daily experiences. Discover this and the rest of the Niagara Harrow range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.